death came to Sayyidina Daauud. One day Sayyidina Daauud was doing a majlis. He was sat with his murideen, his disciples, and he was teaching them. And one day the angel of death came, and Sayyidina Daauud said, have you come to visit me, or have you come to take my soul? What is it? He said, there was a young man who sat in your crowd. He has 10 days to live. He has 10 days to live. He's a youngster, he's got 10 days left. Tell him to be ready. 16 days had passed, the angel of death didn't take his soul. Came back to Sayyidina Daauud. Sayyidina Daauud said, have you come to visit me, or have you come to take the soul, or what? The angel of death said, I've come to inform you something. He said, what is it? Sayyidina Daauud said, it's been 16 days. You said in 10 days this young lad's going to die. And now it's been 16 days, what happened? The angel of death said, the young man was walking on the street. He didn't have nothing on him except 6 coins. There was a beggar sat there who said, please, in the name of Allah, help me. And this young man put his hand into his pocket and took out the charity, the money he had, 6 dirhams. And he gave the 6 coins to the beggar. And the beggar said, Allah give you a long life. Allah give you a blessed life. As soon as he made this dua, Allah ordered me at that time, He sent me to take his soul. Allah Almighty quickly told me at that moment in time, Allah told me, don't take his soul. The angel of death said, why? He said, how can you take his soul? Look at what that beggar, the faqir, made dua for him and said, Allah give him a long life. Because of this one good deed this young man did, Allah Almighty said to the angel of death, he will live for 60 years. For every coin I will give him 10 years. 60 years, he was 20 years old. He told the angel of death when he reached the age of 80, that's when you will take his soul. You don't know what you might do that will increase your life. Allah knows ultimately. But Allah Almighty put so much barakah into your life. This young man you see in the youth, it is when you do good in youth that Allah will put barakah into your life. Spend this youth in the worship of